Hi family and welcome to simplekidscrafts.com. My name is Merve and on today's video I'm going to be sharing with you some of the items that I have made for my Barbie dolls in the past few months, about 2 months or so. And these are not all of the items because I share some hacks with you as well in those videos. And the purpose of this video today is to show you what I have made, but also to get your input as to what would you like me to make in the future. So let's get started. Here are some of the cosmetics that I've made, and all of these things that you see here were made with recycled materials, and some of them do really work. Like for example, these eyeshadows and stuff in here, they all work because they're real. And also I use some of the recycled materials, as I said, like a toothbrush and some little bottles. I made some food for my dolls as well as some of the things for the kitchen, and most of this stuff is made by using foam as well as hot glue. I also made this little phone here, which it's a cell, and I actually use hot glue for it, and this little bag as well as this lamp, and some of the food that you can see here, and all of these shoes by using foam. So this is a very useful material to have, especially when you're doing crafts for your dolls. I made these shoes by using hair elastics, and this bag here by using a sock. So you can make all of these at home for sure, because some of these, for example here, these little purses were made with school supplies. And I also have some headphones that I made by using hot glue and a recycled nail polish, as well as this bag here, which is made with a case for soap. And all of the things here, like this little pot was made with a cap, and this little I guess you would call it a little water jar or whatever, I made that by using a gumbo. And here in this container I have some of the food that I have made, and that was made with ketchup and mayo containers. I also made these by using a big bottle of ketchup, and this by using a little knot, it's a planter. And all of these purses here by using recycled containers, as well as this pair of scissors. I made all of these bags as well. And some of the food here is basically hot glue gun, and then some little toothpicks as well. I made these shoes and also this pillow. And again, all of these things here are very easy to make. There is a lot of makeup and a lot of things that you probably would like, and I have left all of that information on the description box down below. The purpose of this video again is to hear from you and to know what is it that you guys want me to make in the future. And I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you try all of these things at home that are very, very easy to make. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.